Welcome. This is a presentation about AI products launched worldwide. A presentation on the most notable AI innovations. Let's start. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Here are five main products launched. ChatGPT by OpenAI, Gemini by Google Bard, Copilot by Microsoft, Alexa Amazon, and Google Assistant from Google, which is part of Microsoft. And in business and productivity, 365 Copilot, Microsoft 365 Copilot, and then Grammarly Go and Notion AI. These are the three products for business and productivity. Creativity and design. DAL E open from OpenAI, Adobe Firefly, and then Runway ML. These are the creativity and design products in AI. In healthcare, IBM Watson Health, then Google DeepMind AlphaFold, and then Palm Med by Google. These are the three main categories of the artificial intelligence products in healthcare industry. Coding and development. Here, GitHub Copilot is the first product which is using AI very brilliantly, and then is Google Code and Meta Code Llama. These are the three products in AI and coding and development. Then autonomous vehicles, Tesla Autopilot and FSD, and the Waymo by Google. These are the two main products in autonomous vehicle. Robotics, Tesla Optimus, and then Boston Dynamics Atlas and Support. These are the two main products in robotics using AI. And then security and surveillance, Clearview AI, first products, and then other products are Ring doorbells by Amazon AI. Then finance and trading, Gravot, first product, and second is Bloomberg GPT. And at the end, about gaming, NVIDIA DLSS, and then OpenAI 5. These two products in using AI for gaming. This is a summary of the products launched so far. In AI, the world is going very fast towards AI revolution, and in a few years, the whole world will be captured by AI and each and everything, and it's a mandatory for everyone and every country and every nation to understand the basic concept and then launch their products to meet the global challenges and futures. Thank you very much.